Hello, how are you? My name is Maria, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the new Skinny Gummies from the manufacturer Daily Healt, a reference in Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. First, I emphasize that the product is only sold on the official website, so, for you to make a safe purchase, I will be leaving the official link in the description of this video. Have you ever felt like you can't get results with just your gym workouts? Are you spending too much time in the kitchen preparing healthy meals? Did you know that more than half of Americans struggle to lose weight? You're not alone. Start your journey today. You can lose 19 pounds in 30 days, shrink your waistline and burn fat with our results-driven products Slimming Gummies, Skinny Brew and Apple Cider Vinegar Gum. You can see long-lasting weight loss results. How you ask? It's as easy as reaching for Slimming Gummies instead of a sugary snack with more. Still, they'll help you shrink your waist, slim hips and lower your BMI. It's as easy as switching your morning coffee to Skinny Brew, a fat-burning coffee that also curbs cravings. Twice a day with any meal you can get with a clinically proven weight loss ingredient, 100% natural. You'll lose an average of 19 pounds in 30 days. It's easier than ever to say goodbye to unwanted pounds. Be sure to visit the official website, guarantee your launch discount, enjoy free shipping, also the 60-day guarantee, satisfaction guarantee, achieved by thousands of customers.